Hi everyone, welcome to Leetcode Simplified. Today we're solving two classic palindrome problems, and we do it in a clean and efficient way by converting the problem into a form that's easy to check. Let's get right into it. Palindrome number. Given an integer x, your task is to return true if x is a palindrome, meaning it reads the same forward and backward, and false otherwise. So 1 to 1, read backward 1 to 1, the same. However, minus 1 to 1 is not the same as 1 to 1 minus. Same goes for 1 0 is different from 0 1, and it's not a palindrome. So what is the idea? We convert the number to a string, which is easy to check whether it's equal to its reverse. And that's it. Let's go to Python. Convert the number to the string, save it into a variable called string_x, and compare it. That string is the same as its reverse. And whatever, return true or false. That's how simple it is. Let's try to submit it to Leetcode. Boom, that's it. Accepted. Let's move on to the second problem. Problem 2, valid palindrome. Leetcode number 125. This one is very similar to the last one. You are given a string s. You need to determine if it's a valid palindrome, but here's the catch. You need to ignore non-alphanumeric characters and treat the uppercase and lowercase the same. So for example, giving you this string, after you convert it, it becomes this string, and reverse reading is the same. So it's a palindrome, so the output return true. It's not the same for this string. Race a car. After you do the conversion and you read backward, it's not the same, so it's false. Okay, so let's write that in Python. We'll go through every character, do the conversion. So for every character in S, if that character is alphanumeric, we'll lowercase that character. And then after that, we join them all together, all the character in string S without space. Join them together. So now the string S become this string, and this string is after the conversion. Let's say we save it as in a variable called clean, and now we just compare if clean string is the same as its reverse. And whatever the evaluation becomes, return it. Okay, submit it to Leetcode. Boom, accepted, super clean. So what's the key takeaway? The main idea in both problems is this. One, you convert your input into the right format. Checking for palindrome becomes really easy. You just compare to its reverse. This pattern, transform then compare, come up a lot in string problems. That's it for today's video. I hope it helped you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Leetcode Simplify for more and quick tutorial just like this one. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.